So what do I think of Bryan Caplan? In a word, game changer. Well, that's actually 2 words, but it's hyphenated, so let's count it as 1. I'm Karen Kugel from Youth College Connections. I run a small education consulting business, and I've known Bryan and worked with him for years. He helped me out with my first digital newsletter, and now he's helping me out with my seminars on Google, YouTube, and a number of other things. I've learned so much at his seminars. I have a list this long of things that I need to do. And I'm 100% confident that if I do even 3 or 4 things from each one of his seminars, it's going to make a dramatic and positive difference for my business. I'm 100% sure of that. So Bryan, thank you so much for being such an excellent teacher. And I wish you the best in your business as well. Thanks.